Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy from Van Ahn & Company. It is Tuesday, January 3rd, first trading year or trading day of the year 2017 in the books here. You had a little bit of some big action here in the outside markets, not a whole lot of movement into the grains and some downward pressure here into the cattle market. So starting with the grain market, you were able to have both wheat and corn stay positive on the day, even though you had a much stronger US dollar. That was a little bit surprising, but it did come out that index funds need to rebalance their positions, which means they will be active buyers here into the corn market. And I think that's really where your support started from, with corn being up anywhere from about 3 to 6 cents majority of the day, settling about 4 cents higher. Wheat market anywhere from steady to up 3 3/4 there, so not a lot of movement. And like for the most part, once these grains found where they wanted to go, they kind of stuck there for the rest of the day. Different situation in soybeans, where you closed below $10 last Friday, and so that really signaled broken support line, and really you had pressure coming. And then also you had Argentina announce that they will start to decrease their export sales tax on soybeans. They did this for both wheat and corn already. They don't have a tax at all. The soybean tax right now is 30%, and they want to take it down to 18% starting in 2018 at 0.5% a day. So that's a ways out, but that's just signaling the fact that you maybe thought you would see more corn acres here in Argentina compared to last year because of that tax policy, and that might not stick around for very long with them decreasing the soybean tax. So soybeans were down about 6 to 8 cents majority of the day. Into the cattle market, started off kind of mixed and then just couldn't hold it together and found some selling pressure, with both live and feeder cattle being down anywhere from 50 cents to $1. Biggest downfall was probably front month hog. Fed hogs were down almost limit of $3 on the day, down about 265. Deferreds were mixed with being just a little bit weaker. Biggest movers were those outside markets. You had a little bit of action there with both everything starting off really strong. So crude market up $1.50. The US dollar was up $1.40. That's a very big move for the US dollar. The Dow was up 130 points, and then really just by mid-morning, you started to break on those, crude being down $1.50, so a $3 swing. The US dollar still high, but not quite as high, up about 80 to 90 cents, and then the Dow actually down 4 points. So you had that kind of swing of action of the outside markets. It didn't really move the grains too much. Moving forward, what you're going to be watching here, January 12th, crop report, that's a big one, and then just seeing if we get any sales announcement moving forward. And cattle, be watching cash trade as it was friendly here yesterday, expected to be, or on Friday, and expected to be friendly here moving forward this week. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.